So here's another question I found across on the internet, and this one is quite harder. So here's 2 squared right here, 2 squared, 2 squared. And the question is, which one is bigger, the blue area or the green area, and by how much? So when I first come across this question, I saw like all these right triangles right here. They're all similar with each other, right? Like, because the dot and the cross adds up to 90 degrees. Yeah, so they're all similar with each other, right here. Okay, so I started thinking, like, what should I use the information, the area equals to 5 right here? And I thought, okay, let's just assume some variables right here. So let's assume here equals A, and here's B, and here's C. Okay, so let me fill up here real quick. B minus A, C. Okay, and right now we can see that these two triangles, these two, they have the same exact area, right? Because here's A, here's B. Yeah, so we don't really care about them. So the question now is actually, which one is bigger? This one, no, not that. This one or this one? Of course, we know this area right here equals to 5. So we simplify the question to what's the area difference between this triangle and this triangle. And because we know they're all similar with each other, so we can use that their area ratios equals to their side ratios squared. So the area of this triangle should be A times B divided by 2. This is the area of this square times B squares and C square over B square. And this area right here should be A times B divided by 2 times B minus A squared over B squared. Okay, if you subtract them, then you get the area difference between this triangle and this triangle right here. Okay, so let's simplify this equations right here. It's divided by 2 times C squared B squared plus 2AB minus A squared. Okay, and we know that A squared plus B squared equals C squared here. So we can just, what about these? And simplify this further. B squared equals A squared. Okay, and how can we use this information? So I saw this part. The area of this is 5, means A times the height right here and divided by 2 equals 5. So what's this one? It's A times B over C, right? Okay, so this one is A times B over C. So we know that A, oh wait, no, my bad. It's complicated. Okay, this one is A times B over C. And because they're similar with each other, so their height should be similar too. And so this one right here should be A times B over C and times C over B. Okay, and we can just cross all these equals to A. So now we know A squared A squared divided by 2 equals 5. And so A squared equals 10. So we can see that this question is beautifully designed. So the area difference between this triangle and this triangle is a squared, which equals to 10, which we got from this. So they're different by 10, but we have to subtract the 5 from this pink area. So the actual difference between the blue area and the green area is that blue is bigger. And the difference is 5, right? The error difference is 5. So there you have it.